Good morning, welcome to North Carolina. So I am making breakfast for Kally and I, and you're not gonna believe the eggs I'm using. Do you have an egg I can borrow?
Sure, which one do you want?
Look at all these eggs. And there's duck eggs. I'm gonna try a duck egg today. Tommy has quite the setup in his backyard with roosters and chickens and ducks and goats and ooh.
You can see the difference.
Which is what?
The chicken egg, the smaller yolk.
That's a chicken egg.
See how orange it is?
And that's the duck egg.
See how clear the white is?
Oh my god.
Compared to the yellow.
I'm gonna try a duck egg this morning. So got my pan ready and we're gonna make some breakfast. So we're in a 2-lane carpool lane for my niece's school. Does crazy stuff ever go down in your carpool? That's nice. Maybe Utah's got all the crazy moms.
I can see that. I'm sitting next to one of them.
We got one. We got Kinsey. And now we have a Jaden. And we have a Jocelyn. Now we got everybody. We are in my sister's yard and she's got like this mini farm going on. And this big white guy is their Thanksgiving dinner this year.
One more egg.
Look at you. You're a farm girl, Jocelyn. So cute. Who are you?
The names are Larry.
Larry?
And Lily.
Larry and Lily? Jocelyn's having a big Sweet 16 party on Saturday. So this is where the fire is gonna be, a big bonfire. And this is where the big tent's gonna be. There's gonna be a DJ and they're gonna have a good time. So we're gonna finish putting this up. Are you excited? Yeah. We're working on tuna fish pie. Actually, it smells so good. I have shared this recipe with you guys. A lot of you have already made it and you love it. So I'll leave the recipe down below. Seriously, so good. The house smells amazing.
Oh, I love you. How was school today?
Look, we're wearing like the same color. We are. I'm in love with the Carolinas. It's so beautiful.
Someone like you to stand by me always, and I dream of a man like you, warm and tender every single day. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place.
I can't look too far out down the stairs. I have to literally look down in front of me because I'm afraid of heights. And listen, you are grounded. And I am like My whole chest is literally like, so I'm just looking just like right here.
Time flies, yet there's butterflies in my palms and in my eyes. Echoes from the other night, gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. I will read you love poems. Hope that you get kind of me.
Okay, getting ready for the party tomorrow. They decided to buy a tent like this instead of renting, and then they always have it for all the occasions. I think that's so smart. Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday. So we are already moving and grooving for Jocelyn's party. And I'm not in my apron, but there's someone special here that's in their apron.
Hi.
Grammy! For all of you that's new, and there's a lot of you, this is my mom.
Hi.
Yeah, and Grampy's here. She's in her apron and she's helping Ashley with Sunday gravy. The house smells so good. So a lot of you say it drives you crazy when I say gravy. 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 That is gravy because it's made with meats in there. Sausage, hamburger, pork. So it's called gravy. Not everybody in Italy calls it gravy, but from where our family is, they call it gravy. We are from, I always pronounce it wrong. No.
Bari, Italy.
Bari, Italy. And then we have family in Naples. Naples? No. Yeah. So we're from southern Italy. And then when they came over to the US, to Boston, they still called it gravy. So it's gravy. I know a lot of you don't understand and don't like it, but that's okay, you don't have to. But that's what it is, it's gravy. So when I say gravy, I mean this sauce. If I say sauce, I mean from a can. And now you know. It smells so good in here. Whoop. Look at cute Jaden in her apron making cookies. She's already done a few batches already.
Yeah.
Is this for the party?
A lot of people liked them last year.
Aww. Look at her. Look at her. So cute. And Ashley's making meatballs.
Is he popular in Utah or?
I'm excited to try your meatballs. I've had Mom's. Everyone makes them differently, but no one gets them quite like Mom, I bet. Yum. I'm excited to try yours.
I know everybody makes them different.
Jaden has been busy.
Very
Whoa. All right, here's my mom's homemade pasta, the strushy. She made some, and that's what we're having the gravy with tonight.
Is it open? Yeah.
Ooh, the weather has changed. Ooh, sweater weather. Sweater weather. Finally, Angela, it's sweater weather. The weather has changed. Finally, it's sweater weather. Sweater weather. Finally. Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Oh, Angela, sweater weather. Oh, the weather has changed. It's sweater weather. Sweater weather. Oh, finally. Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Ooh, sweater weather.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome. That's right, happy birthday to Jocelyn, celebrating your sweet 16.
The haters blue in the face.